Hello everyone, good morning. I am Isael Elisha Bilar and I am a Seventh-day Adventist student in a Catholic institution. With that, I can say I am very privileged that I have almost reached the paramount of having the ultimate understanding with regards to the religious grounds of other religious organizations. After being with all my Catholic instructors and classmates for 2 years now, I can say that we all have band together to reach a common goal, and that is showing love to everyone just as Christ did for his early followers. All the topics that have been undertaken the whole semester help me realize that we should never be contented on our superficial knowledge about other religious stands, because instead of understanding and loving everyone else, we only formulate our prejudices against them. All these issues have been cleared up when my religious studies instructors have carried me out through this precious journey the whole semester. And that is 1 minute. Thank you. See you next semester.